Hey, Scrappin' friends. This is Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up. And I have something to show you guys and a couple of questions for you. We've been making a file folder album over on my Scrappin' It Up page. And I thought, well, maybe I need to show you guys what we've been doing and ask you guys if you want me to make some videos and put here on YouTube so you guys can learn to do it. So that's my first question. If you want to learn how to make this in the comment section, just please post yes please or love it or or something to let me know, because if you guys if there's enough of you that want to learn how to make this, I will do some YouTube videos and show you guys how to make this as well. Because my other question is do you, because I know there's a lot of people that doesn't have Facebook or can't use Facebook, and I was just wondering how many of my YouTube people, you know, really don't use Facebook, that they mainly use YouTube. So in the comments, if you comment yes you want to learn, just let me know. Use Facebook, no Facebook. I'm just kind of curious of how many of you guys actually use Facebook, or do you use YouTube? Okay, so this is what we've been doing over on my Facebook page. This is a file folder album. It does measure 11 by 9, and it is full of flaps, guys. So we have this, and in here we have a waterfall. So it just flips and flips and flips, and I'm probably off camera. I should have showed it that way, but there will be another one. And it just goes right down here in this pocket, and then this flips open. We're not done decorating it. We're still in the process, but I wanted to show you guys. That way, if you guys want to learn how to make this, I'll come on here and teach you guys how to make it. So then we have a stationary waterfall here that flips. Okay, and then we have another flip and another flip. View here, and I'm using the Simple Stories Vintage Traveler to decorate this with, and then some cardstock to coordinate with it. Here you have a pocket, and I'll do this one sideways, and it goes just another waterfall. Okay, and it just goes inside this pocket. Oops, there's a pocket here. I forgot. There's a nice big pocket on each side. Okay, so then we got another flip, and another flip, and another flip, and then we have another waterfall right here. And like I said, we're not done with this in class yet. But ain't this cute, guys? So then you have another one of those nice big pockets, and we're going to do a booklet to fit in there. And then again, you have another waterfall feature right here. Slides in that pocket. And then that opens up. So that's my March Madness file folder album that we've been doing. There's the spine. So if you guys want to learn how to make this file folder album, just comment down below, yes please. And if you use Facebook or not, that will kind of help me. I need to be doing some more process videos here on YouTube for you guys. I appreciate it very much, and I'm anxious to hear your responses. Okay, ladies, as always, we will talk later, and keep scrapping, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.